So we just bought a new horse 2 days ago, and his name is unknown. He's the most beautiful horse though. Come here. I'm gonna saddle him up and see how he does. Come here. Good boy. No, you're so sweet. So we got him all haltered up. He's so cute. All right, let's go. Come on. Okay, so we got him all hooked up here. Such a good boy. Ooh. Ooh, they smell yummy. Not recommended. All this. I know, no more treats. You're becoming a baby. Good boy. Good boy. So officially dumb because I was like, oh, I'm going to put his reins on and then I'm going to take his halter off. I didn't do the math. You can't do that. So we're going to ride with his halter on and his reins. Perfect. All right, buddy, let's go. Oh, good boy. I'm gonna ask him to pop into a lope real quick. Good, good. Ooh. Good boy. I am very happy we made the decision to ride. They were nasty. So he's in shape. He is in shape. I'm going to fly spray him down, give him a little brush, and we'll call it good. I know, it's kind of scary. And he's gone, and the horses are so mean to him.